Hello, everyone, and welcome to our discussion today. My name is Don Forrest. Joining me for our talk is my colleague, Elena George. We work at New Weiming Law Group, where we focus on U.S. immigration services for professionals, including green card applicants in the EB-1, NIW, and other categories, as well as work visa applications. We've been in business for nearly 10 years, and during that time, we've obtained thousands of approvals for clients from more than 40 countries. Today, we'd like to talk about I-485 and consular processing, especially on the time frame involved and how to prepare for the interviews, what to expect, and what documents to prepare for. We will address some frequently asked questions on these issues, and now I'll turn it over to Elena.
Thanks. So first, why is there the I-485 or consular processing step? The U.S. green card application can be divided into two steps. The first step is the I-140, which includes EB-1, NIW, PERM, or other categories. During this step, the U.S. examines the qualification of applicants to determine whether the applicant qualifies for a green card. After that, when the I-140 is approved, or when the I-140 is already submitted and pending at the U.S., the second step is the I-485 consular processing. And in that step, the U.S. government examines the background of applicants. For example, the U.S. government wants to make sure that the applicant is not working for Foreign Intelligence Service, does not have a criminal record, does not have certain diseases such as active TB, or does not seriously violate immigration laws in the past. Therefore, this I-485 or consular processing step is necessary. Don?
Thanks, Elena. The I-485 is called, quote, adjustment of status, unquote, and it can only be filed while the applicant is inside the United States. After filing the I-485, the applicant can stay in the U.S. legally, even if he or she has no other visa status. After filing the I-485, it may take 6 months, 1 year, or even longer to receive an approval. In order to make it easier for the applicant to stay in the United States and wait for the I-485 approval, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service allows the applicant to file I-765, I-765 for Employment Authorization Documents, EAD, and file I-131 for advanced parole, together with I-485, or later, based on pending I-485. With EAD, the applicant can basically work for any employer. With advanced parole, the applicant can travel outside of the U.S. and come back without a visa. Elena?
So what if the applicant is not in the U.S.? In that case, he or she can use a consular processing pathway to pursue an immigrant visa and then come to the U.S. to receive the green card. There's a National Visa Center, or NVC, that handles the initial step on this consular processing, and then the U.S. Embassy or consulate will take the final step in issuing the immigrant visa. Before the approval of the I-485 or immigrant visa, there will usually be an interview in which the U.S. officer will check the applicant's background, verify that the person is indeed who they say they are, and the family status, family relationship, verify the past visa status and no criminal record, verify that the person does intend to work in the U.S. in their field of specialty in the future, and an existing job in the U.S. is usually not required. The applicant can bring documents including passport, copy of official receipts, and approval notices received from the U.S. in the past, birth certificates, proof of family relationship, employment history, documents, financial documents, and related documents. Don?
Thanks very much, Elena. To wrap up our discussion today, let me add on a few additional points. As you know, the current U.S. administration proposes extreme vetting for incoming immigrants, which can make the I-485 and consular processing step longer and stricter. For our existing clients, we provide sample documents and instructions for the I-485 or consular processing step. If you want us to prepare and file the I-485 or consular processing for you, we can also do that. And we have helped many, many other clients to successfully receive their U.S. green cards. That's all for today. Thank you, Elena.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and visit our website at www.nwmlaw.com. Thank you.
Thanks.